Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to give an overview of the Account Details Sidebar. The Account Details Sidebar is an extended screen with shortcut buttons where more functions and information is shown about the debtor and patient. The user can access several features, functions and screens from the sidebar. In this video, we will start on the Account Details screen. The Account Details sidebar allows the user to access different account-related functions. For more information on how to access the Account Details screen, please refer to the Account Details screen user manual linked in this video's description. The information that is displayed in the Debtor Details section is as follows. The Debtor Name field displays the first and last name of the person who is responsible for the payment of the account. The Account Number field displays the debtor number that will be linked to the person who is responsible for the account. The cell number field displays a cellular number of the person who is responsible for the account. The email address field displays the electronic mailing address of the person who is responsible for the account. The MA provider field displays the name of the company with which the person responsible for the account has medical insurance or medical aid. The MA option field displays the name of the medical aid plan corresponding to the medical aid of the person who is responsible for the account. The MA number field displays the medical aid membership number associated with the account of the person who is responsible for the account. MA phone number displays the telephone number that can be used to contact the medical aid that covers the debtor. The MA email address displays the electronic mailing address that can be used to contact the debtor's medical aid provider via email. The MA website field displays the URL or the Uniform Resource Locator to the website of the medical aid provider. The status field, which displays debtor status, indicates the current situation at a particular time during the practice flow process and allows the user to add a status to the debtor. All the patients that are linked to the debtor account will be displayed in a patient section. Please refer to the View or Update Debtor or Patient Information user manual linked in this video's description. The information displayed in the Outstanding section includes all amounts that are due to the debtor's account. Total amount displays the entire amount of funds outstanding from the debtor's account. MA Outstanding displays the total amount of funds that the medical aid is still liable for. Patient Outstanding displays the total amount of funds the debtor and patient is still liable for. Now we will go over the available buttons on the Account Details sidebar. The New Invoice button allows the user to create a new invoice for the debtor and patient. For more information on how the Invoice Details screen works, please refer to the Invoice Screen user manual linked in this video's description. The New Receipt button allows the user to issue a receipt for payment that has been made towards the debtor's account. For more information on how the Capture Receipt screen works, please refer to the Patient Receipt user manual linked in this video's description. The new Patient Refund button allows the user to be able to capture a refund to the patient when the patient has been overcharged. For more information on how the Capture a Refund screen works, please refer to the new Refund to Patient user manual linked in this video's description. The Reallocate a Receipt button enables the user to reassign an invoice that was allocated or linked to the incorrect invoice or invoice line. For more information on how the Capture Reallocation screen works, please refer to the Reallocation linking of Receipt user manual linked in this video's description. The New Clinical Case button allows the user to create new clinical events for the patient. For more information on how the clinical screen works, please refer to the Clinical Screen Overview user manual linked in this video's description. The Statement button allows the user to download a PDF document that summarizes the account information of the debtor and patient. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the Statement button. The Audit Statement button allows the user to download a complete financial statement PDF that is compiled of all the activities that occurred on a debtor's account. For more information on how to download a statement or audit statement, please refer to the Download and Print Statement user manual linked in this video's description. The Email Statement button allows the user to send a statement via electronic mail to the debtor and patient. Click on the Email Statement button. The Email Workflow Event screen will open. The statement will automatically be attached as a PDF file in the Attachment section. For more information on how to send an email, please refer to the Workflow Event Template Send Email user manual linked in this video's description. Click on a close button to exit the email workflow event screen without sending the email. Click on a send button to send the email to the desired recipient and exit the email workflow event screen. The email audit statement allows the user to send an email statement via electronic mail to the debtor and patient. Click on a drop-down menu next to the email statement button. Click on an email audit statement button to download the audit statement. The email workflow event screen will open. The audit statement will be automatically attached as a PDF file in the attachment section. For more information on how to send an email, please refer to the workflow event template Send Email User Manual linked in this video's description. Click on a close button to exit the email workflow event screen without sending the email. Click on a send button to send the email to the desired recipient and exit the email workflow event screen. Payment requests are sent to the patient and debtors as a reminder that there are payments outstanding for services rendered at the practice. For more information on what a payment link is and how the payment link works, please refer to the Send Payment Request WhatsApp user manual linked in this video's description. Promise to pay is an agreement between the practice and the debtor to pay any outstanding amounts on a specific date. For more information on how the Promise to Pay screen works, please refer to the Promise to Pay user manual linked in this video's description. The SMS button allows the user to send SMS communications to the debtor or patient. For more information on how to send an SMS, please refer to the Send an SMS user manual linked in this video's description. The email button allows the user to send electronic mail to the debtor or patient. For more information on how to send an email, please refer to the workflow event Send Email user manual linked in this video's description.